Hey neighbors! Happy New Year! Build your new year with a new you. Kasama ang Next Upgrade, your ultimate guide to upgrading your home into a smart one. Correct me if I'm wrong, Chico. I think, definitely. Now, upgrading your savings, health and wellness, and personal development goals should be at the top of your New Year's resolutions list.
Oh
no?
naman, it should be. If not, the top talaga.
Up there. And that's why Chico and I are here to help you not only improve your smart home, but also yourself, Nax, with these smart devices.
Yes, sir. Chico Cruz here. Na-miss niyo ba ako? I'm back for more awesome tips to help you make your 2024 way better than last year.
Oh, how you like that? New year, new me? New you, Chico?
New me?
New me, new me. And you know, every time it's a new year, I always look for new planners, to be honest. There's something exciting about having a new planner, writing all your goals down. And feeling ko yung mga neighbors natin, nakalista na yun. Hopefully, right? And I think that there's really nothing better than handwritten notes for memory and retention. What's cool is these smart planners can also digitize your notes for you to be even more organized. This is the Moleskine Smart Writing Set. It's a set because you have a pen and the notebook, okay? And what I love about it, especially for those who love to journal,
Like
jot
myself.
down notes, like you, very nice, is we can do it and it's gonna record it digitally. Are you ready to see some magic, Chico?
Yes, I am.
So check this out. So we got our Moleskine pen over here and you got the notebook and we have the app right over here. So as we start to write on a new page, it's just gonna go straight there. So here, hey.
That was
Look.
really quick, man.
Look how quick! Hey! But you know what? So that it's even bigger for everybody to see, let's just do this. Hello! And look at this. Dude, that's so fast! That is so fast. Here, try it out. Check it out.
Can we try drawing or something?
Yeah, sure. What do you usually like to draw?
Like a man.
A man? Is that his nose?
Yep.
Oh, very nice.
That was really quick.
And what's really cool is we can also record. So check this out. So there's this record button over here. Okay. Mic test 1 2 1 2. So if we're in a meeting right now and I'm taking down notes, I'd be like, Chico likes to draw anime. I can stop this recording. And then it's gonna be saved here as well. So if I wanna listen to that recording of this little session that we had here, let's say it's a meeting, then we can do that. So there you have it. That's the Moleskine Smart Writing Set.
That's really solid, Justin. Honestly.
Thank
Pero ako naman, I used the Rocketbook Fusion Plus.
Ooh.
Actually, Bea and Jaime talked about the other version of this in their previous episode, which you can check out right here. But this one is an upgraded version, which you can easily integrate sa written schedules mo, timelines on your Google Calendar, just like the Moleskine. The difference is, this one has 60 reusable pages and 11 unique templates for you to choose from. Di lang yan actually. You can transfer digitized notes to your Google Drive, Dropbox, Evernote, OneNote, Slack, and iCloud. Alright, so the Rocketbook comes with a Pilot friction pen.
Okay.
So walang battery to. You can use it as long as merong ink. The templates are really useful for me kasi hindi ako ganun ka-organized and you know, my mind gets cluttered with a lot of things I'm juggling day to day. Here we have like weekly planners. Here we have a calendar and some objectives and key results plan. Task template, which you can write anything you want. And of course, note-taking. So you want to test it out?
Let's do it.
Maybe we can draw something here.
Let's do it.
I'm thinking.
What you gonna draw?
I'm gonna draw Justin.
Me?
But the difference here, Justin, is in order to digitize these notes,
Yeah.
you gotta scan the page with the app.
Gonna open up the Rocketbook app. Here it is.
So over here, we got the app. In order to digitize this, you need to click New Scan.
Okay.
Position the page within the screen. All right, now it's scanned. And yun, it's cleaner.
There you go.
Kuha-kuha, no?
Kuwang-kuha talaga.
Let's say we want to get serious again, Justin, and we can't have your face in my planner, right? Actually, you can use the friction eraser. Kaso lang, there's a quicker and faster way to erase it. All you need is
Alcohol?
No.
No, okay.
Water, definitely water.
It's water. Okay.
Water and a microfiber cloth. So just spray
Okay.
and
It's so refreshing. Oh.
just wipe.
Dude, just like that. Okay, so Rocketbook Fusion Plus. Super cool. But, ito yun. Every time you start on a new planner at the start of the year, I feel like a lot of people, they kind of stop using it maybe around March or April. But ikaw, are you gonna end up using this the whole year?
Yeah, previous years, I'm no exception to that. Pero ngayon, nakakagana magsulat eh, di ba Justin? Sa ganitong smart planner. Tapos di ba kapag sinusulat mo, nare-retain mo yung information sa utak. So I think this is a really good addition to my devices list and it's an investment for me. So yeah, definitely keep using it.
Nice. And again, there's so much novelty in it as well, right? It's a notebook, right? So it kind of takes you back to school. And also, it's more sustainable than a regular notebook, right? You can just clean and erase the writings on the pages and just like that, it's blank again. So you won't have to buy notebooks over and over. And if you forget to bring it with you, no worries kasi again, naka-digitize naman siya right there on your smartphone.
Actually, they're both really convenient. Pero para sa akin lang, the Rocketbook Fusion Plus, it's a bit cheaper, a bit.
It's a lot cheaper.
The Moleskine
It's a lot cheaper, yeah.
But the Moleskine one has, grabe, top-of-the-line features. It has audio sync, editing notes on its own app, tsaka yung real-time capture.
Oo.
Grabe.
Kakainganyo, no? Okay, so we keep talking about, plans and goals, right? But how can smart devices really help our neighbors achieve these plans and goals, Chico?
Right, talking about goals, I think you can take care of yourself and help yourself be more productive with these smart devices. Why not redecorate and upgrade your work or study setup with smart lights or things like a smart monitor or smart humidifier. Pero if you want to have better sleep, there's also something for you. Merong smart mattresses that actually heats and cools in your command.
Oh my gosh. Oh, hindi ko alam na may ganun pala. You know how for some people, if they're studying, they play classical music because it helps, supposedly helps you retain knowledge.
Information.
Exactly. So what if you make an automation hey, it's study time. And
it's automatic, right?
Yeah, so it dims the lights,
everything.
Then plays classical music, that kind of thing, sets the mood.
Pati yung aircon, yung whatever it is in your home.
Yes.
You just snap a finger, a voice command.
Just like that. And again, because it's really quite common, especially with the fast-paced technology and the rise of AI, diba? Na mas marami talaga nag-upgrade to smart homes. Lalo na if capable naman. I think it really helps you feel at ease since it also makes your life more convenient.
Actually, convenience, Justin, yun yung keyword. As we get older, alam ko hindi halata, no? Pero 25, we have more responsibilities and it's been really helpful.
And since there are more responsibilities, there will be times that you can't keep up on your daily tasks and routines anymore. And at one point, you're gonna need a reminder every now and then.
Yeah, definitely.
No? And that's why we got this Aeotec Smart Hub that can help keep track of everything with just one command. And with the Smart Things app, you can also input your schedules, your plans, prompts. Hence, it keeps you more productive, Chico.
Ito yung kailangan nyo, neighbors. Especially kung di mo kaya you can't afford a personal assistant. Ito na yun.
Ito na yan, digital assistant.
You can also personalize this to match you and your family's needs. Kasi it's like your indoor siren at home that makes life easier through automations and routines. Abangan nyo, may episode rin tayo dyan. And if one of your goals is to expand your knowledge, itong Aeotec speaker can also encourage you to learn something new by providing daily trivias, fun facts, or by running quiz games with you every morning or after work.
And that's what's really cool about having a smart hubs. It gives you information like that. And also, with all the reminders and everything, it can help keep you accountable, right? So, hindi mo na makakalimutan yung mga deadlines mo. Or if you need to drink your vitamins or your meds, you can even say, okay, remind me every night at 9 p.m. to take my multivitamins. Just like that, right? So, also if you have planned hangouts or dates or errands and meetings, the new you is definitely going to be upgraded. Okay, so neighbors, Chico, as many of you know, we recommend a lot of smart devices for you on the show. It's also because we have a lot of different goals in life to achieve, right? But the question is, which ones are right for you in particular? And it's best to know what you need first before purchasing these smart devices, and that's why we got Chico over here to kind of narrow things down, diba?
Yeah, and if you're like me and you need more organization sa buhay mo, gusto mo mas organized and you don't have to rely on yourself kasi nakapagod and you're juggling so many things, I found this device for you actually. It's a Xiaomi Watch S1 Active and it's not as pricey as you think. This is a one-time purchase with long-term benefits.
Nice.
And I love using the sign, it's premium, and actually, if you look at it, Justin, it doesn't look like the average smartwatch, diba?
Yeah, because this is a smartwatch over here, but it's square. This one's round.
Yeah, it looks, if you wanted a little more incognito look for casual occasions, I think this is the watch to go. There's definitely different features here. For example, merong heart rate monitor. You can also check your scheduled activities, set reminders, do contactless payment. Pwede mo na lang itap ng ganun. Yeah, you can do it here. Actually, let me show you some of these things.
Outdoor running, walking, treadmill,
Yeah,
trekking.
I don't do all
diba?
of these.
Napaka-specific. Trekking,
May
trail run.
outdoor cycling, meron ding indoor cycling. You can also set reminders for your daily tasks na you need to do in the day. And of course, what we all need is messaging people or play music na hindi mo na nilalabas yung phone mo.
Especially if you're cycling. Sabihin natin you're cycling, right? Diba?
Yeah.
We're cycling.
Okay,
Yeah, we're cycling, right? And then you get a text on your phone. So what? You're gonna let go and then get it and then bring your phone out? Okay? Or let's say you're gonna change the music. Okay, we're cycling.
Yep.
We wanna change the music, right? You're gonna bring out your phone and then scroll. Wag na. Okay? We're cycling. Switch.
Just a switch.
Done. So
Easy.
easy. It's good to know that it also has long-lasting battery. Okay, it actually lasts for at least 12 days.
Smartwatch pa ba to?
12 days, okay? Hindi hours, 12 days. So that's good for busy working professionals that are always on the go. But if you want something that mas lightweight, more budget-friendly, and more fitness-focused, Chico actually has another smartwatch for you, and I'm wearing it right now.
Oh, Justin. Actually, what you have on right now is the Redmi Watch 3 Active. Durable rin ito and it's waterproof, so you can take it even in the shower or at the pool. The health data for this one is also more accurate.
Oh.
From SpO2 and heart rate monitoring to sleep monitoring and fitness tracking. Actually, I still for people like me, na yung goal this year is to be even healthier.
So that's for me too. I want to be healthier too. So I love smartwatches, right? Like there's so much you can do on them. But could they be distracting naman? Like are smartwatches productive or counterproductive?
Yeah, I think no, there could be cases na it's counterproductive. Like especially kung mas nagiging focus ka na sa tech mo instead of the actual workout or the actual goals and tasks na kailangan mong gawin.
Yeah.
You could easily like fall into the abyss or the illusion of productivity. You know? Akala mo, sobrang productive mo na by writing these goals down, writing your reminders. Pero hindi mo naman nagagawa. There are cases na ganun. On a general perspective, kasi para sa akin, I use it.
Yeah.
So for me, it's a net positive. It's really something that is productive. Especially in the fitness scene, if you wanna reach your goals in terms of calories, workouts, personal records and improvements. If you're a runner or if you're just a fitness enthusiast, I would recommend this to anyone who can get their hands on a smartwatch. It's very helpful there.
But hey, you don't have to wait to get a new smartwatch before you start, okay? You can actually already start prioritizing your health right here, right now, in just one go, Chico.
Paano kaya yun,
Just one
Justin?
go. Oo,
Like,
ganun
how
yan.
can you do it in one go?
It's just an app on your phone, which you also have. We're talking about the mWell app, okay? It's where you can track your daily steps, physical activities, and sleep time also.
It's also compatible as well so almost all smartphones. Justin, Team Android, ako iOS, and we have it here. It's your all-in-one health and wellness partner. So whenever you need an online doctor consultation, they're just one click away.
That's it. And what's amazing, neighbors, is you can also save time, energy, and money spent on having to go to the pharmacies because you can have your prescription medicines delivered right to your doorstep.
At kung may emergency, well, wag naman sana, no, knock on wood. But don't worry, because with the mWell app, you can easily have access to an ambulance with its ties through Lifeline 16911, the premier emergency quick response provider in the Philippines.
Just one click. And the best part is, it's free! Free to download. So do it now to help achieve your fitness and health goals this year. We're already using it, see? Just like that. Okay, so Chico, it's been a very educational day. And you've given us a lot of value already. But one more Kuya tip from Kuya Chico. What is it?
Okay, para sa inyo, New Year's resolution, Kuya Tip. Don't be pressured to tick off everything on your list within the year. Prioritize muna what you need for your own self-improvement. And don't try to please others agad-agad. Kayang-kaya mo yan.
Noted with thanks. I'll try. No one will take it against you naman pag hindi mo nagawa ang lahat na nasa list mo. Besides, hindi naman nila malalaman yun. So I think what's important is that you know that you're doing better than you were last year, last month, a week ago, than yesterday. Progress is progress, no? Progress is all right.
Progress is progress.
All right. Oh, that's it for our first next upgrade episode to kickstart your 2024. You can buy the notebooks we used They're linked in the description box down below, by the way. Cop them today so you can start planning your year.
And para sa accountability, comment nyo na rin yung New Year's resolutions nyo. And go back to this video on December 31, 2024 to see if you actually made it happen.
Yan ang accountability, okay? And don't forget, check out our website, that's nextupgrade.ph. And don't forget to hit that notification. And subscribe to our channel because we upload a new episode every single Sunday. Happy New Year, neighbors! Good luck! You got this.